Thank you, Mr. President, and through you to the members. I rise today to ask my colleagues to join me in supporting S2805, which will advance the profession of commercial interior design. This bill will eliminate unnecessary obstacles and remove restrictive barriers that prevent some of our most educated and talented individuals from reaching their full potential and fully practicing commercial interior design in our Commonwealth. For those unfamiliar with the issue, this legislation is not about traditional home interior design or decorating. Rather, it is about recognizing a growing group of professionals who are leaders in the practice of contemporary commercial interior design. They are highly educated, following an educational path comparable to that of architects, and they must demonstrate extensive knowledge regarding building codes, safety design, building systems, sustainability, and specification of materials, just to name a few. Many are employed at some of our top design and construction firms as part of dynamic multidisciplinary teams, working collaboratively on some of the most important and complicated build design projects in Massachusetts. The legislation before us today would update our state law and provide a pathway for qualified commercial designers who meet rigorous educational training and testing requirements to become licensed, registered professionals. 29 other states have recognized commercial interior designers by passing registration laws, and today I am proud that the Senate is considering this bill to add Massachusetts to that list. The recognition is long overdue, and the designation is critical to those who are trying to grow professionally, to fully utilize their skills and degrees, and to build a business. The lack of professional recognition and restrictions have limited career pathways for many qualified designers in the industry that incidentally happens to be dominated by women. In our state, architects and engineers must sign off on a commercial designer's work because only they, being recognized as professionals under the law, can sign and seal documents. In order to bid on design-build projects, a company must be majority owned by licensed professionals. There have been a number of cases brought to my attention where partners, again, who are usually women, are forced to sell the majority stake in their companies so that the firm can be majority owned by registered professionals in order to allow bidding on state projects. For federal work, you also need to be a licensed professional. One commercial designer I spoke to, a Mass resident, told me that she had to go to Connecticut to obtain a license so she could work on a project at the JFK building right here in Boston. It's ironic in a way that these restrictions exist here in Massachusetts because we are one of the leading states in the nation attracting students from all over the country who come here to study commercial interior design. And we have 5 vibrant college programs at UMass Dartmouth, Boston Architectural College, Endicott College in my district, Suffolk University, and Wentworth Institute. One big benefit of passing this bill today is that we will encourage interior design graduates who come here to study to stay here and build a career. For those who are entering the profession or already practicing in order to become licensed, the bill would require passing the National Interior Design Qualification Exam, meeting continuing education requirements, and meeting professional experience requirements. A board of registration would be established to oversee registration and licensing, as well as develop professional standards and operate as other professional licensing boards do in Massachusetts. In conclusion, this bill will recognize and bestow the professional respect that this talented group of designers deserve. I want to say thank you to all of the advocates and all of the interior designers who came in and worked with me over the last 2 sessions to get this bill to the floor today. I'm going to thank the Chair of Ways and Means, Senate President, and all my colleagues, and I do hope that you will vote in support. Thank you.
Question comes on engrossing the bill. All those in favor say aye. Opposed, no. The ayes have it. The bill is passed to be engrossed. Senate will be in a brief recess. Senate will be in